Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in binance.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Binance website where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and then using your login credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up on the dashboard, from which you can buy your desired crypto by simply hovering over to the Buy Crypto section at the top left corner. Then just click on your desired payment method. This will then take you into the crypto buying menu. Now, from the buying page, underneath the spend section, you will be able to select your desired currency by clicking on the currently selected one. Simply select your currency that you want to spend, and then from the receive section, you will see that Bitcoin is selected by default. Simply click on it, and now you can select your desired crypto. Simply type in SHIB, and then you can find the Shiba Inu token. Just click on it to select it, and now you can type in how much Shiba Inu you want to receive or how much currency you want to spend on buying it. After entering them, you can click on the continue button and then proceed with buying your desired crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.